Hey guys, it's Mike, Susan, and Christina. We're here at the Mojave Preserve, Kelso Dunes, and we're hiking to the top of the dunes today. That's our goal right there in the center of the screen. It's the highest sand dune. It's a little hard. It's rough hiking in sand. About halfway there, maybe. No, be careful there, Sid. Don't fall. Hiking sand dunes is really tough. I am the last of the group. The other two are back there. It's not a bad hike. It's just a lot of sand, just an ass kicker. So that's where I'm headed. I still probably got about half a mile, maybe. One step forward, 3 steps back. That's all I have to say. There's my goal right there. Okay guys, I'm at the top. And it's pretty steep. I just gotta get up there. And my chances are, do I just go down, straight down? Or do I go back the way I came? Oh, it's really weird up here. You can stand here and you can feel the sand moving. It's weird. Like it's gonna get ready to landslide or something. Hey guys, it's Mike. Check it out. I'm at the top. Finally. It's the highest dune in the Kelso Dunes. And I'm at the top. Alright guys. That was the summit of Kelso Dunes. And as you can see, a lot more dunes to explore. Talk about post holing. It's cool. It's a lot easier going down this way than it is going down the trail. Guys, Kelso Dunes. It's definitely something to check out when you're in the Mojave Preserve. Something weird just happened to me out here in the middle of the dunes. Two guys just came up to me and said, "Hey, can you take our photo?" And I said, "Yeah, sure." And they handed me a Polaroid camera. It was weird. Only problem right now is I probably have like 10 pounds of sand in my boots. You guys come up over a small dune, and look who I found. Found Christina and Susan. Alright guys, I've hooked up with Susan and Christina. We're back at the car. Nice hike. Now we're headed to State Line for shamrock shakes.